Hi guys, welcome to Simandar Education. Today we would be discussing on US CPA qualification. Once I complete this session and all, in between I'll take a pause and you guys can ask questions. I'll just unmute at that particular time so that I can take up all your questions, and then accordingly we'll kind of understand what all are the issues which are coming up, and we'll go in detail today on the US CPA course. And again, I'll be taking up a lot of questions on the evaluation also today. So in that way, it will be kind of helpful for you to understand as well. So we'll be talking on the USCPA qualification. The major agenda is to talk on what is a USCPA, what are the exemptions, what are the procedures, what is evaluation, the various sections, the questions which will be asked. So I'll be taking up even the Becker software today, just to explain you how the Becker product is also working. Before all this, just to give you an introduction, so I'm Shripal Jain. So I'm one of the co-founders for Samandar Education, and I'll be kind of guiding you towards this entire qualification once you kind of join with Samandar. And even if you're not, I keep guiding the students also in the application and all process. So today the session will be more on the application side as well, apart from the evaluations and all other things. And we'll be taking care more on the sections also. What are the subjects which are covered in the CPA, whether be FAR, audit, reg, BEC and all, and what is a pattern. So all those will be taken care today. So what is a US CPA? So it is very simple guys. जैसे इंडिया में चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स रहते हैं, वैसे US chartered accountants are known as US CPAs, which is certified public accountants. This is particularly there are almost around 55 states who gives this CPA license. So as we see that, so there are a lot of things on the US CPA qualification because it is governed by the state boards. In US there are 55 states. So every state board have its own rules for US CPA, right? So we can't conclude that this state board has this power, or CPA from California is popular, or CPA from Arizona is popular, right? It can be anything. So every state has its own rules, has its own education requirements, has its own experience requirements as well. So what are this actually? So typically, if I want to start for a US CPA qualification, I need minimum of around 120 credits. So when I tell 120 credits, so every year of your graduation is converted into certain number of credits. So that is how it is. So like first year of graduation will give you 30 credits, second year of graduation will give you 30 credits, third year of your graduation gives you 30 credits. So in that way, your graduation gives you 90 credits, but to sit for the CPA exam, you need 120 credits. So assuming that to sit for the CPA exam, you require 120, since you have a BCom, so BCom gives you 90, and most of the state boards still allow you to sit for the CPA exam even with a 90 credit requirement. So what is this basically is, so your CPA qualification requires a minimum of around 120 credits. So these credits are evaluated by a separate evaluation agency. So they kind of evaluate your education transcripts and all, and then gives you certain number of credits in order to which will be counted in the evaluation later. And then you would be able to sit for the CPA exam. Once we go into the evaluation slide, there I'll just stop it so that I can take a lot of questions, and then I will move on to the next thing. Okay. So just to give you an overview, there are around 4 sections in CPA. So CPA composed of 4 sections, which is FAR, audit, regulation, and BEC. 50% is multiple choice question and 50% is simulation. Right, so all states recognize the same exam, uniform CPA exam. So the licensing requirement will differ. I'll come to the licensing requirements later. So first I'll be just talking about the qualification as such. So what are the benefits and opportunities of the US CPA? So this is a globally recognized course. So the US companies are operating globally. Most of the companies, even in India, there are almost every second company is a US company. So that's where the opportunities are tremendous for a US CPA qualified person. So we are also the placement agencies with a lot of the big fours, right? The big fours like Deloitte, EY, KPMG, PwC. Apart from that, we also work with various corporates like Standard Chartered, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Virtuosa, AIG, and also these are the companies which primarily hire for the US CPA qualification. So this basically, a lot of the questions which come from the student is, the first question is like, does a CPA is hired in India or not? This is a first important question. I would like to say that every second company in India, I would say, is a US company, because, and considering that due to the COVID, a lot of the US work is being outsourced to India. And you see that opportunities are just growing for the US CPA qualification. Now, examples are, you have Deloitte, you have Capgemini, you have Accenture, you have Cognizant, you have Amazon. So there are a lot of US companies which are hiring for the CPA qualification. And that's where we are seeing that the qualification have taken a big step now, and it is being now considered as a very popular course of India. And that's where the US CPA now, sir, is it equivalent to CA or is it better than chartered accountancy? I'm not here to compare any of the professional qualification. Everyone knows that chartered accountancy is a terrific qualification. I myself a chartered accountant and a US CPA, right? Having said that, people who are taking a lot of time in the CA qualification or who are not passing in spite of so many attempts, this is one of the course I think you guys can look up to, and there might be a lot of job opportunities for this particular course for sure. So a lot of questions have come up straight away here, that what kind of job profiles are being offered after doing CPA, or is US CPA is equivalent to Canadian CPA? So now when we talk about CPA here, it is more to do with CPA of US, right? There are a lot of CPAs. One is of Canada CPA, one is of Australian CPA, one is New Zealand CPA. So there are a lot of CPAs here, but we are strictly talking about the US CPA. So now US CPA, is it equivalent to Canadian CPA or is it equivalent to Australian CPA? Now AICPA has MOU with all the countries majorly which are dominant in accounting, like Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, UK. So these are all the countries where the US CPA is accepted and is considered equivalent, right? So there are reverse MOUs being signed up. So that's why the opportunities of the CPAs are more. So as and when we go, I'll take up the questions later because that kind of spoils the presentation as such in between, right? So now one more important thing is 75% of its members will be eligible to retire for 2020. If you see there are a lot of reciprocity with other accounting professionals like Scotland, Hong Kong, right? So AICPA members are also accepted in UK. They are accepted in, so do we have an MOU with ICI? There is no MOU with Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, right? So you will have to write all the 4 subjects of CPA, and there is no exemption whatsoever, because the only reason for not having exemption is, first of all, ICI have not signed any MOU with AICPA, unfortunately. So that is the reason why you might be seeing you don't have the CAs getting recognized in US more, and thus that's the reason why even in India, the Indian companies or the US companies which are operating in India hire the CPAs. I'll take you guys to those roles and the requirements as well later. But these are some of the Indeed and all which have taken up, like American Express and all. So these are the companies which hire for the USCP. Now, what are the key organizations you need to know? One is AICPA. So AICPA is nothing but, like in India, we have Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, guys. Like in India, we have ICI. US में they call it as AICPA, which is American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Guys, ये लोग वो है जो issue the qualification. So AICPA is that accounting body. Second is a state board. So what are the state board? तो US में ऐसा होता है कि like every state board, as I have already said, have different requirements. So there is not one specific state which is popular as such. So every state board have its own rules. So once you are eligible, we will determine the best state for you to write the CPA exam, and then thereby you kind of enroll with that particular state board. So that is how it is. Now next comes NASBA. So what is NASBA? Actually, they are the evaluation body or the evaluation agency which evaluates your credits. There are a lot of other evaluation agencies as well apart from NASBA, which evaluates the your credits and all. Now, why is evaluation important? So there is a requirement in US CPA that your credits needs to be evaluated. Once your credits are evaluated from NASBA or from any other approved evaluation agencies like WS, World Education Services, you have FACS. So these are some of the evaluation agencies who evaluate your credits and who determines that you're eligible to sit for the CPA exam. So primarily NASBA is now the current body which is kind of governing all the CPA requirements and all. And the last comes the Prometric. So the Prometric is the one where you schedule your exam, because the CPA exam is an online exam. It's not a paper pencil exam. It's an online exam. So that is what you will need to remember. So NASBA is the one, and Prometric is the one which schedules the exam. So what does because the exam is online, unlike our Indian chartered accountancy or our Indian exams, which are more on paper pencil mode, the AICPA exams is online. You'll need to go to a Prometric center. Like जैसे अपने इंडिया में CAT का एग्जाम है, वैसे ही I would like to tell that CPA exam, right? It's like a Prometric, and you will need to go to a Prometric center and write your exams there. Again, you have a limited time and all. We'll come to that requirements later. Okay. So what are the steps to become the CPA? What is the step one? So I have just prepared this slide in a stepwise format. So if you see there, the first step is the academic evaluation, meeting the education requirements. Second step is to apply to take the CPA exam. That means you need to submit your application. Step 3 is to study for the exam, create your study plan and study with Becker, Samandar, or any of the other review providers like Wiley, Glenn, Hawk, or whatever. Then step 4 is to receive the NTS. So NTS is nothing but your hall ticket. Just say you have in India, like you have the hall ticket, there in US, notice to schedule is known as the hall tickets. So step 5 is to succeed, right? So to take the exam, including the ethics exam, obtaining the work experience, and apply for your licensing requirements. So these are the 5 steps which we will be covering up in when we become the CPA, right? So these are some of these steps which will be taken care. So the first step is to get your evaluation done. Second step is to apply for the CPA exam. Third step is to study for the CPA exam. Fourth step is to schedule. Fifth is to succeed. Right now, one very, very important requirement which comes up is, so one very important requirement is the licensure requirement. Now, what is a licensure requirement? So once you pass the CPA exam, you will need to kind of apply for your license. So what is a license? You can open your own CA firm and kind of like in India, we can open our own CA firm. If we are a chartered accountant, same goes in with CPA. If you're a US CPA qualified, you can open your own CPA firm in India also, and you can practice. So I'm a practicing CPA here in India. So that is how it is. So licensure means that you can sign these, you can do the attestation work as well. So that is a very, very important thing. One very important information is that if you're writing the exam outside India, you will need to apply for your license within 3 years. If you don't apply for your license within 3 years, your scores will get lapsed. So when I tell license here, it is more to get the membership also of the AICPA. Sir, is it a mandatory thing that I need to apply for license? If you don't have license, you can't put your name, you can't put like Shripal Jain, you can't put beside Shripal Jain CPA. If you want to use CPA, you will have to kind of apply for this license and get this license. So there are 150 credit requirement to sit for the licensure. 120 credits is for evaluation, right? So once you get the license, you can open your own CPA firm as well, and that is one of the good advantage. And if you don't want to open your CPA firm, still you will need to apply for license because it's a mandatory requirement from the AICPA itself. So what are the education requirements? If you see there, a candidate need a minimum education background, so of 120 credits and all. So that I have already explained you the requirements of the evaluation. So you'll need to sit for 120. Your BCom gives you 90. Your CA Inter gives you 30. 90 plus 30 gives 120. So BCom plus CA Inter eligible. BCom eligible provided you do a bridge program through Samandar Education or any of the approved education institutes, do a diploma program, enter into that diploma program, you can still write the CPA exam. Again, I repeat, BCom eligible, BCom plus CA Inter eligible, BCom plus CS Inter eligible, BCom plus ICAA Inter eligible, right? CA eligible, CS eligible, CAA eligible, like you have MCom, AICPA gives 60 credits for your chartered accountancy. AICPA gives, the NASBA gives 60 credits, right? Your CA gives you 60, your company secretary gives you 60, your ICAA gives you 60. So 90 plus 60, 150 credits. You are having sufficient credit if you are a BCom plus CA to sit for licensure as well. I mean to apply for licensure as well. And if you want to sit for the CPA exam, even if you're a BCom, I think you're good to go. So that is how it is on the evaluation front. Now people are asking, sir, BBA plus MBA eligible, BCom plus MBA eligible. See, USCMA doesn't give any credits, ACCA doesn't give any credits, BCom plus postgraduate diploma eligible, BCom IGNOU plus CA eligible, only CA eligible, BA plus PGD in accounting eligible, BCom plus Group 1 P. I think Surendra, if you're asking P1 first group, which is the CA Inter eligible, BCom plus MBA eligible, BMS plus BMS specialization finance, I'm not aware of what is that. I think we'll need to check the requirements. BBA plus MBA eligible, BCom with first class eligible. So one important point, guys, if you're a BCom with a NAC accredited college, you get additional 30. So you will be eligible with BCom plus first division also, right? So that is an important point. So 90 plus 30 gives you 120. Mohammad Afan Uddin is asking BCom plus CA final group 1, am I eligible? Yes, right? And BCom plus LLB integrated eligible. Kashish. Vikas, CA with BCom correspondence eligible, CA gives 60, BCom correspondence gives 90, 60, 120, you will be eligible for both, right? Santosh is having, sir, first year BCom IGNOU plus CA final group 1 eligible, BCom plus MBA eligible for licensure. Yes, your MBA gives you 60, your BCom gives you 90, 90 plus 60, 150. School of Open Learning BCom eligible for credits, BTech plus MBA eligible, provided you have accounting subjects also there. That is also very important, right? BCom plus MCom CA eligible straight away. BCom 70% plus NAC A eligible. Yes, because they are first division. NAC B college, you will not be eligible. You will have to be with NAC A. So you guys can see that there are so many questions on eligible itself. On eligibility, BCom with correspondence, Daksh is asking eligible. Correspondence gives 60 credits. MCom from IGNOU gives 60 credits. BBM plus MCom gives eligibility, right? 90 plus 60, 150. BBA plus MBA, 150. BCom, ANF, IGNOU and CA gives 90 plus 60, 150. 60 plus 60, Jagrut, 120 credit. You will still have to do additional 30 to meet the licensing, but you can still sit for the CPA exam, right? BCom plus CA Center eligible. So CA Inter first group plus BCom plus Madras eligible. So that is what is on the eligibility. Only 1 year BCom plus CA final group 1 cleared, not eligible, because your 1 year BCom which you have tied up with ICI gives you 60, your CA final group 1 gives you 15, CA IBCC gives you 30, 30 plus 15, 45, plus BCom 61 or 5. So Santosh, unfortunately, will not be eligible for the CPA exam. So guys, just to summarize, I've been taking so many questions here. So people who are not asking any question, just for your information, if you have a BCom plus MBA, a BCom plus any post graduation, MBA, MCom, right, or CAs, because in US, Chartered Accountancy, Company Secretary, ICAI are considered as post qualification course, right? So straightforward, they would be getting 60 credits. So that is what you will need to remember, the crux concept. Does it count the work experience? No. No work experience will give any eligibility for credits. That is very, very important. Just remember that, right? And BCom NACB plus again IBCC. So half CA will gives you 30, half CS gives you 30, half ICAI gives you 30, LLB gives you 90, right? So that is how it is. And any correspondence, any correspondence or any post graduation correspondence will give the same credits what the normal qualification has. Example, sir, if I've done MBA in distance, I'll get 60 credit. If I do MBA full time, then also I'll get 60. So it doesn't matter whether it's a correspondence or whether it's a full time, you will still get the credit. So Sipal, in which case BCom will be provided with 90 points. If it is a full 3-year BCom, and then we will get 90 credits. If it's a 1-year BCom tied up with IGNOU and all with ICI, you'll get only 60 credits. Clear, guys? I hope this might have helped you. I know I'm taking a lot of questions in between. I've stopped the presentation for this because I think this is one of the pain points of CPA, and that's why I'm just taking up a lot of questions of students. I understand there's so much of confusion in this particular case. So that's where I've just stopped it up. BCom plus MBA is eligible for license because your BCom gives you 90, your MBA gives you 60. So 90 plus 60, 150. Sir, is it important that I should take membership of CA? Not required. Membership certificate is not required. Clear? So if someone cleared 3-year BCom correspondent, then it will give 90 points. Yes. But if it's a tie-up MOU and all with CA and all, it won't give 90, it will give 60. Right? Again, a lot of people are asking which state I am eligible for. Unfortunately, I would have said you the state board, but due to our rules of the Becker, we never disclose any of the state boards, because we check your mark sheets and all, and we determine which state board is a perfect state board for you guys. I can tell you the eligibility that you guys are eligible, but not about the state board and all. The state board, we can see only after you submit your documents, your exam documents, or your mark sheets, your provisional mark sheets and everything, and then we can see it that what is that which is there, and then we can take it up. So let's take the questions later. I think we had enough of questions, so we'll go back to our presentation. So now we are coming to the USCPA exam again, guys. So this is a computerized based exam, so it's an objective, 50% multiple choice questions, 50% simulation. The average passing percentage is 75%. So you need to get 3/4 of the answers correct. When I tell percentage, it is more on percentile basis. So it's like how we have the CAT exam in India, or like any of the entrance exams, which is more of, I would say, comparative based marking, a grading based system kind of thing. So 75 percentile is the score. But just to clear the doubts, if you get 3/4 of the answers correct, I think you pass the CPA exam. It's as simple as it is. It's a 100% computer graded exam, written communication test, and you have 50% multiple choice question, 50% task based simulations. So task based simulations are nothing but your case law based question. It's like an essay based question which you will be able to. I will show that how that essay based exams looks like, or the MCQs look like when we go to the Becker product. So you will have 18 months of time to pass the CPA exam. From the day you pass your first exam, from that day onwards, you will have 18 months of time to write the other 3 sections. So you will have to pass the other 3 sections. The moment you receive your first score, within that first score, you'll have 18 months of time to write the other 3 sections. Once you're completed within that 18 months, I think you're done with the CPA exam. Again, I repeat, guys, 50% multiple choice questions, 50% sims. Now coming back to the cost of the CPA examination, which is a very, very important question. What do we have? So the cost of CPA examination is, because even so now US CPA exams typically used to happen in US and in Dubai. This is the first time it is happening in India. In India, it is happening in June and September. There is no visibility or no clarification from AICPA that the CPA exam will happen later also. But having said that, there are a lot of chances that, because they have come after a long time to India, so there are a lot of chances that they might continue this CPA exam which is happening up, and you might see that the CPA exam keep continuing even in India as well. All right, so June and September are your months. So you typically the CPA exam fees is $1,000. You pay additional $1,500 for your international testing fees. If you write exam outside US, you need to pay another $1,500. So $2,500 is the overall cost of the CPA exam, and additional $225 or $300 closer is the evaluation fees which you pay to the NASBA, the evaluation agency. So overall around $3,000 is what we are going up with the entire CPA fee structure. So this is the exam cost of the CPA exam. So $3,000, which comes closer to 2,10,000 INR. An additional a lakh rupee or whatever, or 1.5 lakh for the training fees or the Becker product, which we take around. So 3.5 or 3.5 lakhs, or almost 3.8 is the overall cost to complete the CPA examination. I hope I'm clear with the CPA cost, because a lot of them have asked the CPA examination cost. So one guy is asking, so what is the 75%? 75% is nothing but you will need to score 3/4 of your exams correct. So you need to score 3/4 of your answers correct. It is like in India, we have in CA, we need to get minimum of 40%. In CPA, you will need to get 75% correct. Clear? So does this 1,500 needs to be paid each time we give the exams? No. You will, exam fees of each paper is nothing but 2,500 divided by 4. That's all. That is the exam fees. In CA exam, it is 50%. Is Surendra telling? No, Surendra, you 40% is a passing. Overall aggregate is 50%. So Surendra, in CA, it's not 50%. Aggregate is 50%. You need to get it. So minimum passing is 40% in CA, but in CPA it is 75%. So Dheeraj, why it is 3.8 lakhs when it is 2.1 plus 1.15? I'm just taking up the dollars and the fluctuations in Becker product and all. So that's where we are telling you 3.8 is the worst cost which is there. So what is the pass percentage for US CPA? We'll go into the next slide. There are no negative markings as such. So if you see this, guys, auditing have 72 MCQs, 8 task-based simulation, BEC have 62 MCQs, 4 task-based simulation, 3 written communication. What are this communication? What are these sims? It's nothing but case law. Like in schools, we used to have English comprehensions, right? They used to give one big case law and then they used to tell you to answer all those from that case law, right? It's like a comprehension or a case law based questions. So in audit, you have around 72 MCQs, 8 sims, 4 hours is the audit paper. BEC, you have 62 MCQs, 4 sims, 3 written communication, 4 hours. FAR is 66 MCQs, 8 task-based simulation. Reg is 76 MCQs, 8 task-based simulation. So that is the entire structure of the CPA examination. So 72 multiple choice questions and 72 MCQs and 8 task-based simulation. Then again 62 MCQs in BEC, 66 MCQs in FAR. Then you have 76 MCQs in regulation. So I'll come to the passing percentage also. So first is you need to apply and you need to apply for the NTS. Typically it takes 6 months. So NTS is valid for 6 months. So what is NTS? It is nothing but your hall ticket. So once you get your NTS, it's typically valid for 6 months. There are some other states where the NTS is valid for 9 months, but we normally don't refer those states to Indian candidates. So strictly talking, your NTS is valid for 6 months. Upon sitting for the first exam, once you get your result, you have 18 months of time to complete the other 3 sections. So what happens if I don't clear the other 3 sections within 18 months? You will lose all your credits which you have passed and you'll need to write the exam again. Is it clear to everyone? So just so that's how it is on the 18 months window. Remember this 18 months window. Once you pass your first exam, after that 18-month window will start. After that within that 18 months, you need to pass the other 3 sections. In case you don't pass, you lapse all your credits as well. So you'll need to write the CPA exam again. So this is so now we are coming to the exam structure. So the pass percentage of CPA typically is around 50 to 55%. So that is a pass percentage. So you have 50% in CA, it is 8 to 10%. And just because I'm teaching for CPA, don't want to tell anything negative about CA because CA is considered to be one of the tougher qualifications and very, very much recognized all over, right? So chartered accountancy typically gives that global recognition as well. But just that most of the countries CAs is not recognized. In that way, I think CA gets beaten out. But then if you see the CA pass percentage, it is around 9 to 10% and somewhere around 20% in the last attempt. But CPA, if you see that, it is 50%. So very easy exams when you compare to CA. So chartered accountancy is very, very tough. And in that way, it is like a tougher exam, right? Whereas compared to when we do it for CPA, I think it's not tough. It is very much manageable and you can pass the exams. So I would not say it is more difficult than CA, right? If I want to do a comparison or with CA, I think CPA is easier exam, right? So audit is, so what are the exam structures? So you have audit, so which is covers the ethics, professional responsibilities, assessing risk, forming, reporting conclusions. So if you see this, these are the various examination structure of audit. You have remembering and understanding. See this, guys, they have practically defined कि भैया किससे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. Most of the weightage, if you see, 30 to 40% weightage comes on application skills, on analysis skills. This is how the international exams are. They test you more logically, and that's where the entire examination, if you see there, understanding is almost 40% and remembering and understanding, I take an average. So memorizing is very less in CPA examination. It's more to do with application, analysis and understanding. So that's where the exam becomes very good. Even to write the CPA exam, it makes sense because it's more interesting, because it tests you on the application perspective, not on just on remembering or memorizing the subject. Now next comes the FAR. So again in FAR you have, because in US half the people deal in derivatives, stock markets and all, so most of the concepts are governed on that particular thing. The financial instruments, the bonds, the leases, the US GAAP, so the entire revenue recognition. So these all what is covered in your financial section, which is the second part of the CPA exam. right? The third is the BEC, which is the corporate governance. You have almost of around what? Corporate governance, economic concepts, financial management, information technology, operation man. तो मतलब एक BEC के सब्जेक्ट में है, you have covered everything. तो आपने इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी कवर कर लिया, आपने इकोनॉमिक्स कवर कर लिया है, आपने कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस कवर कर लिया, आपने फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट कवर कर लिया. So that is how, so everything is covered in the BEC section. So it's a combination of almost 3-4 subjects, right? Then we have regulation, which is ethics. So regulation is nothing but your US taxation, right? So like we have Indian taxation. In the same case, in US, we have the US taxation, considered to be one of the tougher sections in CPA after FAR. I think this is one of the challenging section because US tax, half the chartered accountants, or so I think this is one of the tougher sections among all of them in the CPA exam. This is a subject which you need to watch out for, guys. I think this will test the capability, right? So what are the passing percentage, guys? If you see the pass percentage rates, so if you see audit is having almost of around 2019, we see overall around 48% was for audit, BEC is 59%, FAR is 41, regulation 56. So sir, can we conclude that FAR is one of the tougher sections? Yes, always financial accounting reporting is considered to be the tougher section in CPA. I would say regulation is also tough, but then regulation, just for understanding sake, it is a little tough. But while passing, we have seen a lot of the people passing in reg, but not in FAR, because FAR is very extensive. It is not like 1 or 2 chapters. There are a lot of modules in financial accounting reporting. So on that basis, the FAR is a voluminous section, and that's why it takes a lot of time to complete FAR also. So I would say if anyone is starting CPA, they should definitely start with a subject called FAR because it's a voluminous section. Having said that, it is more on understanding. So you can start any of the sections, whether it be FAR, audit, BEC, and regulation. Because there is an 18-month rule, I would prefer that you start with FAR first and then go on for an easier section like BEC and then audit and then regulation. So there is not such combination, perfect combination as such, but it's just a recommendation that in case if you start with audit, then go out with audit and regulation, or audit or BEC, or FAR or audit. These are subtle combinations which you can do. But if you see the pass percentage wise, FAR is a tougher section in all of them. So government accounting is still in FAR or some changes? Yes, government accounting is still there in FAR. There are no changes in the FAR section. It is as tough as it was before also. Right, so the passing percentage, if you see an average, it is 45 to 50%, which is a good passing percentage for CPA examination. So now what we have in the Becker, I'll just quickly take you up in the Becker thing. If you see this, so this is how, guys. So is everyone able to see my screen here? Okay, so if you see there, so this is the Becker product which we gives once the student kind of enrolls with Samandar Education. If you see this, so this is what we give to the students. You have financial, you have audit, you have regulation and BEC. So this is how the Becker product looks like. Overall, around 150 hours they have estimated for financial. For audit, they have estimated around 90 hours. For regulation, they have estimated 120. For business, they have estimated 90. So overall, around 450 hours is what we are expecting to complete for the entire CPA examination. I have seen a lot of the institutes talking about CPA exam to be completed in 2 months, 3 months. It is impossible because your evaluation itself takes you around what, 4 months, 3 months time, because you need to send your education documents to your state board, to your evaluation agency, they evaluate. So it takes a lot of time. So the institutes which are telling you that you will pass the CPA exam by September, it is incorrect. There is no possibility at all in passing the CPA exam by September as such. You can write definitely 1 or 2 sections. I don't think so you can complete it, the entire CPA examination by that time. Right. Having said that, don't be in a rush to complete the CPA examination because the exam are in India. There is a fair possibility that they will increase the testing window. So don't be in a rush and try to attempt your exam in September and thereby failing the CPA examination. That is exactly we don't want, right? So that is what you need to remember that. So will we receive the Becker book set of Becker and flashcards also? Yes, you get the Becker study materials and you get the flashcards also. So everything is covered in the Becker product here. So if I go into the FAR, you see that there is so there are 10 modules in FAR, unlimited practice test, simulated exam 3, mock exams, mock exam 1, mock exam 2, mock exam 3. right? You have something called as library here. You have Becker Facebook study group. You have AICPA newly released questions, which you can see on the right hand side, right? If you see there on the right hand side, you have AICPA. The beauty of this product is it gets automatically updated. If you see there, every month there is some updates in the product. So that's why it is considered to be one of the leaders in the CPA, right? So I think I've lost the screen sharing. Guys, are you able to see the screen? Yes, is everyone able to see the screen? Sorry, I've just lost it. So these are the updates which you get in the CPA product. If you see that, these are the notifications. There is a dashboard. I mean, इसमें एक हर चीज they have covered what is required to pass the CPA exam. Apart from that, then you have Simandar, our own lectures, our own recorded lectures, our own evaluation assistants, licensing assistant. So for you guys, Becker and Simandar is a perfect combination, if I'd like to tell. And one good thing about how we are different from other institutes, or how Becker is different from other providers, is that it is the only, I think, the product which has the auto update feature. So any new changes which is comes up gets automatically covered in the Becker product, right? So you don't need to buy every time new books, or you don't need to kind of find out is this the latest version or what, because a lot of the institutes who are preparing their own materials and all, they don't update their content frequently. And in CP exams, the content keeps changing, guys. So my high recommendation is that you don't go for an product which doesn't have the auto update feature, because the changes keeps coming. So your software should have that facility to cover the latest amendments. Like in CA exam, a lot of the latest stuffs are asked. In CPA also, all the latest content is asked. So whenever you are purchasing anything of Becker or anything from Simandar, always check that you're covering the latest content or the latest update or not, right? Our Simandar lectures are also recorded. Yes, every time we record our lectures. In Becker also you have recorded lectures. So there is so much of practice which we are covering up and making. That's why we are almost obtaining like 95% pass percentage is our pass percentage at Simandar. So that's how you can see there you have a pre-assessment, you have a lecture, you have a skill practice, you have an MCQs. So what is a skill practice, guys? Is nothing but like a coach for you. In each and every step, they will explain you logically how you have got the answer for this question, right? So that is the speciality of the skill practice of the Becker. So if you see this, so these are the skill practice. These are the study plan which is being given to you, right? Then you have the AICPA newly released questions which are given by AICPA itself. So that questions are also there. You have an accounting for empires game also. So this Becker comes in as an app also. So you can download this as an app and you can use it on the mobile also. So it's a completely exam friendly software to prepare you for the CPA examination. So one very important thing what we have noticed in Becker is that they have acquired Sana Labs, which is an adaptive AI, artificial intelligence technology. If you see there, what that AI technology does is you have a performance dashboard, which is a personalized review session. If you keep answering it wrongly, this artificial intelligence will check, okay, this guy, ये बंदा हर बार ये टॉपिक रॉन्ग देता है, so the software will automatically keep throwing questions on that particular topic itself. This is one of the brilliant feature of that, and they have invested heavily in that artificial intelligence tool. And Becker is, I think, the only review provider which have invested so much in AI also, right? So these are the few features of the Becker product. I don't want to take much time for you guys. So this is a personalized review thing. So if you see this, you have skill master videos. It's like step by step, they will explain you each and everything. Then you have adaptive technology, which I was talking about, is a Sana Labs, right? Which is a complete artificial intelligence tool, which will check your performance dashboard, how you're performing on each and every multiple choice question, and how are you doing. Now, why is this software also important, sir? Why can't we buy the Becker books, or why can't we buy Simandar के थोड़े books लेके पढ़ सकते? Please remember, guys, don't do that, because 50% of CPA examination is open book, right? It is an authoritative literature based examination also. So 50% is MCQs and 50% is SIMS, right? So when we talk about SIMS, right? So what are SIMS here? I'll just show you how the simulation looks like. So this is how the simulation looks like, because in this SIMS, you are given an authoritative literature, which is nothing but an open digital book, where you will need to answer from that by seeing that literature and all. Sebastian, are you able to see that? This is how a task-based simulation look like. Sebastian, you were asking that, right? So this is an example of task-based simulation. So this is how they'll ask you complete also John Singh year 3 financial statement shows balance sheet, income statement. You'll need to fill in the numbers here, change in accounting estimate, accept. This is how you'll click. You have an Excel, you have a calculator, you have an authoritative literature, which is nothing but open book system where you can search and kind of answer this. See there, AICPA professional standards, view, you can search here. But remember this, that is the reason why we push students to purchase for this Becker software, because you will be able to practice this authoritative literature more if you take this software, because this is a 50% open book system. So that's why it will help you in kind of preparing for the CP examination more. So this is how the simulation looks like. Is it are you able to see this? This is how they ask you one question in simulation कि John's का receivable एक book में collect हुआ था, second year they didn't collect the revenue. Is it a change in accounting estimate or change in accounting principle? Select one option, error correction, accept. So this is how your simulations will come in the real-time examination. So this software is mirrorizing the entire AICPA real-time examination, right? See there, the clock window also opens up. This is a second simulation, third simulation. You have an authoritative literature here to check whether you are able to answer. So sir, मैं सब ये authoritative literature देख के answer कर सकता हूँ. That is what you need to understand. If you spend a lot of time on authoritative literature, you might lose, because 4 hours is only the exam. So that's why you need to master that authoritative literature skills, that open book system. So 50% is open book. So it is important that you master that skill, and that's why we recommend that you do take that software and practice it. That's the reason why I tied up with Becker. That was the only reason, right? I don't find any reason why we should have Becker, but these are subtle features. These are some tremendous features in Becker product, guys. So that's where I would say that I think this is the one thing which you will definitely need to look for, right? When you're preparing for the CP examination. Again, I'm not here to promote anything or force you to enroll for Simandar or whatever. That's not the way I do my things. If you think that there are other review providers, please go for it. If they are cheaper or anything like that, do go for it and kind of do this. But I have been Becker alumni, I have passed from Becker, so that's why I trust Becker a lot. And a lot of our CPA students have passed through that and got 94s, 95s. So if you see there, I have also covered a lot of our, even on YouTube, if you see that I have covered our AICPA What Sells award winner who have scored 94s and 95s through Becker itself, right? So if you see our Simandar Education channel here, right? So here we have kept some interviews. So this was the interview with Mr. Ratnadeep, who was a AICPA What Sells award winner who have kind of studied from Becker. So right, so if you go through the YouTube lectures of ours or the YouTube videos, right, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you might find there a lot of the informative stuffs which I have taken time to time also on the Becker product also. So this is how the Becker product looks like, guys. So I'll just take up some time for questions on the Becker product if anyone have. How does any feature if I haven't covered in the Becker product? So keep going, guys. Okay, sir, will we get Becker lectures as well, which is received by Becker students from US? So also could you tell? See, I would not recommend to take the Becker live lectures because the accent is really tough, so you're not able to understand. So there is no point going on for the Becker lectures. All right, so we are there to help you out. You don't need to worry. There is a Becker final review. So what is the Simandar pass rate? 95%. Next, Becker final review we do have. I think no PDF can be printed. No PDFs cannot be printed here. Becker Pro versus Becker Advantage. I would say, guys, go for a cheaper product of Becker, which is the Advantage. No need to go for final review and summary thing because you are already enrolled with Simandar. We are doing 24/7 support. We are there continuously from start to end, helping you around. So I don't find any reason why you should go for an enhanced product unless and until you think that you can't pass the CP exam in 24 months. So that is the time when we recommend that you go for an unlimited access, because the Becker access is limited for 24 months. So that is why we recommend a lot of them who are not much confident in passing the 24 months. That's why we recommend them the unlimited version, which is the Pro. Right? So do we have to use the Becker software and Simandar classes? Yes, that is a combination of Becker software and Simandar classes, and you have the Becker recorded lectures as well. Right? So our Simandar lectures newly recorded? Yes, every month we take our lectures, and entire year the Simandhar classes keeps going. Simandhar faculties are there in each and every WhatsApp group, right? All the faculties are CPA qualified and all. Half of them are all India national level rankers of the chart accountants. So on the quality front, I think all are passionate. वो सुबह से शाम सिर्फ teaching ही करते हैं. So that are the faculties, they don't do anything other than teaching. So that's where I could tell about the Simandhar faculties. USCP advantage versus premium, again I've already explained. It all depends on person to person. If you want to pass the CPA exam quicker, advantage is good, or premium is also good or better. If you want to go for an unlimited version, or if you want to practice a lot of other MCQs, additional MCQs, you can go for a premium product also. CPA versus ACCA, again I don't want to compare anything on ACCA and CPA, but just on an opportunities wise in India, I find CPA opportunities more. I see hirings more for US CPA than ACCA. That's the only thing. Do we have live classes of Simandhar online? Yes, we do have. So you don't need to worry on the classes front. I've already explained that. How much preparation time is required for 2 papers? 4 months. Overall of around 10 months is what we taking care for the US CPA qualification. Okay. So this is how it looks like in the Becker product. So these are the personalized learning. You have skill master videos, you have simulated exams, you have, so what are the tips for MCQs and all, guys? Practice. Lot of practice is required. Practice n number of multiple choice questions from the Becker product, right? We are also putting it in our WhatsApp groups every day, 5 multiple choice questions in our each and every study groups. Please practice those MCQs also, which will make you more confident. Right? So as and when the more and more MCQs with conceptual MCQs, if you keep doing it, you will be able to pass the CPA exam very quickly. Right? So that is one of the advantage you will have when you are trying to do with the Becker product, because there are unlimited practice questions. So you can practice a lot of those MCQs and gather your confidence. In beginning, you will have that you might do a lot of wrong answers. Don't get disheartened. So you can still practice and all. And again, that is how it is. Clear? So then we have tips for task-based simulation. Again, we have sims. You will need to practice a lot of sims from the software itself and write down the important points where you have got wrongly. Write down in a paper what all are the important things which you have missed out in that simulation, right? Mark it and then accordingly prepare for that particular thing. All right. So that's how you can see to control the amount of time you spend on each task-based sims, because time management is a big key, guys. How you manage your time is very, very important in simulations. Right, so just ensure that you efficiently allocate your times on sims. So that is a very, very important thing. And then what are the final steps? So take a simulator, review what you have studied, create a realistic study plan. So that's what I would say. 8 to 9 months I am taking as an average time for the CPA exam, considering evaluation is also there. You need to send your education documents to your state board. So overall, the process will take around 10 to 11 months to pass the uniform CPA examination, right? So that's how the entire CPA exam you can plan it in that way. So what about Simandhar? So a lot of them are asking what is special in Simandhar education. So these were some of the leaders sessions which we do. It is not just we pass the students for CPA examination, but we also connect them with various corporate leaders. We do sessions for them. We groom them to make them job ready, to make them corporate ready. So these are our past sessions in last couple of 3 weeks, which we did during the COVID time. We had the Invesco Director Finance CFO, we have Reliance CFO, we have D Shaw CFO, we have Infosys CFO, we had Standard Chartered Bank CFO, we have SAP CFO, we had EY global partners. So I don't need to tell what is we in our connections and in our placements. There is absolutely no second thought that that's the reason why we have Kikifin. If you see there, guys, we have a separate portal also, which is known as Kikifin, where we place our students who are not only from Simandhar education, but from other qualifications also. Like I have opened up for some of the BComs also. I keep giving them some of the assistance, and also Kikifin as the Simandhar education initiative, where we provide the placements and all to all our students. So I anyways can't guarantee any 100% placement and all, but yes, I will definitely make people I think ready for that particular thing. Again, it is up to the students how they kind of perform in those interviews. So this is one of the Kikifin website which we have taken the initiative, and because we are tied up with so many companies and all, we ourselves are the recruitment agencies apart from the education institute also. So now what is the starting salary of a US CPA? Don't want to tell you anything to kind of, I don't know what other institutes have tell. 8 lakhs is a fresher salary. That is a minimum salary. That's it. It cannot go beyond 8 to 8.5. Don't be an impression that you will get 12 and a half, 13 and a half lakhs. That is not correct. Even if you have experience or whatever it is, experience counts more than your qualification. So your qualification is the entry point. So 8 lakhs to 8.5 lakhs is the first thing. People who want to switch over from their career from chartered accountancy to some other US companies, because Indian companies sucks in the timings and all, and US companies, they give Saturday, Sunday holiday in that matter. So I think CPA would help you out and make you switch over to US companies who are operating in India. So can we work and study for CPA? Definitely. We had a lot of the students who have passed with working. And just to tell you guys, we have EY partner also enrolled in Simandhar Education. So you can understand that the partner level a person is enrolled. So just imagine how it is actually, right? So can a non-CA pass CPA easily? 110%. There is absolutely no reason why a non-CA, I would say a non-CA passes more than chartered accountancy, because a chartered accountant already have his learned the knowledge. But for a CPA, you will have to unlearn everything and learn, right? So that's why it is very important that if you are not a chartered accountant, or if you are from a non-accounting background, I think you will do better job than the chartered accountants in the CPA examination, right? Because you are learning everything new for you. So you will learn more, you will find more interest than them, right? So CA articleship is not counted as work experience, as I've already said. So IFRS and US GAAP, there are quite a lot of difference, right? So this is our placements, and also per annum. Yes, Bisma, 8 lakhs, it is per annum, not per month. If it was per month, then every people from all over the world, they would do CPO. So 8 lakhs is per annum, not per month, okay? And some of the times, if you're not performing well in the interview, you might go into 6.5 or 6 lakhs range also. Again, I'm telling you guys, because we are connected with so many corporates. If you see there, I myself have done so many companies. Is everyone able to see the screen? So see there how many sessions we have done. So I was in Reliance Industries with the CFOs. I was in the Geo Talks talking about there with State Street. Then we had Barclays, right? So the great Amazon. We had the National Conference of CA, EY Bangalore. We are tied up. We had the Becker president who visited Simandhar Education. So he's Mr. Mike Mali, who was the Becker president who visited Simandhar Education. And then we had Wells Fargo session. We had AIG. We are tied up with AIG. We had the Amazon Hyderabad campus also, which we visited. We had Infosys. We have ADP. We have D. Shaw, Hitachi, Qualcomm. Guys, these are not logos. These are the companies which I have visited. Unlike other institute, I'm not giving you logos here. I'm connected with all their CFOs and heads. So it makes very easy for me to place students because I'm closely working with them. That's where I want you guys not only just to pass the CPA examination, but attend all our lectures, all our leadership sessions, all our inspiration sessions, which we keep doing. And I keep posting that on our LinkedIn. We have our LinkedIn page, we have our YouTube page, we have our Instagram page. So please keep. So would Simandhar provide placement assistance? That's what Satish. In USA, I think in US we are also providing, provided you have a US valid visa, which is H1, right? CPA is not a qualification to get a visa in US. Again, I want to tell you guys the misconceptions. Just be clear on that. It will not help you to get a visa or something. It's just that it helps you when you go to US. It will help you in finding the job. That's how it is. So how Simandhar helps in licensing? So I myself a licensed CPA. You don't need to worry anything on that, Tanuj. So I myself a licensed CPA, so I will verify your work experience, so you don't need to worry on that particular thing. So payroll experience is value added after completing CPA, 100% yes, right? Should we pay for evaluation of our credits? As I've already said, $225 you need to pay to the evaluation agency. So overall cost of the CPA, guys, again, I'm telling you, it will come closer to 3.5 to 3.6 lakhs. So that is what it is. Clear? Okay, so now I will unmute a lot of the participants because I'm done with the presentation. I request everyone to go on mute, right? Because I'm unmuting a lot of them and I'll be taking care. Please guys, allow your other friends also to ask questions. And I request you, because I'm unmuting a lot of them, I request first of all to mute, everyone to mute yourself, and we'll keep taking the questions as and when I keep unmuting a lot of them. Okay, cool. So I muted everyone because I think there's a lot of problem. So I'll just keep on taking the questions faster in the last 15 minutes. So keep typing, guys, so that I can take up the question. Sir, so is due to Corona post is closed now. So how could we apply for CPA? I have my credit MBA plus BCom honors. See, they are opening up due to lockdowns and all. But now you can apply for your evaluation. You don't need to worry for that. Next, even with experience 8.5, no, with experience your package will be little higher. Sir, can you tell we can go for MCom IGNOU in association? Yes, you can go. What is the approximate package after CPA? Already have said 8 lakhs. Do you have an ERP functional consultant doing? Yes, we do have. How long is the evaluation valid? 3 years. If we give exams in USA, will we save cost of $1,500? Yes. Second, for applying license, international account payable expense will be counted. Yes, I will verify that. Do you provide live training? Yes. How much is the Simandar cost for CPA? I think you will need to get in touch with the counselors. Will we get flashcards also with the Becker course? Yes. Can US CPA work in any country? Yes. I saw on internet that we must send our original transcript. Is it true? No. You'll need to send your transcript in a sealed envelope, which is a duplicate of your mark sheet. You can't send originals there. They will not accept. Does RET test only federal or states? Only federal, Avdadeep, not the state taxation. Considering exam is taken in Dubai, sir, you're not answering my questions every time. Please keep posting Bisma so that I can take up, because there are 1,000 questions which is being posted here. If we give our exam in USA, do we have opportunities to get hired in USA directly since the best exposure? No, you'll have to work with the Indian US company which will shift you to US. That's a good combination. And I have completed my CA final group 1, writing my group 2 in August. Can you please guide me? When should I start the process for CPA? Straight away started. Do I need to be employed to become AI CPA member? No. How much time it takes for credit evaluation process? 2 months. Apart from audit and accounts, what are the different profiles? Advisory, taxation, mergers, acquisition. Some states have strict rules like SSN. We will not recommend that states. Satya, that's why you are enrolling with Simandar. Don't need to worry. So study time required by CA for preparation, 8 months, 9 months. Not means if you're a chartered accountant, you are very clever. You need to study more because you're not in touch with many of the sections. Okay. So what if I don't have the transcripts? You can't write for the CP exam. Do we have weekend classes? Yes, we do. After September, is there any exam in India? Yes, we might get that announcement. Except $2,500 and $225. Do we need to pay any other fees? Like I have heard application fee of $250. That is a state application fees, Ashish, you might need to pay. And that differs from state to state. That's why I didn't talk about it, which is $150 to $200. That's why I've given an amount of 3.8 lakhs. Pranjal, do we have to pay $1,500 each? Will COVID impact our CPA registration and will impact our dealer registration? No. If exams, how can I get in? Can I apply for NASBA without transcripts? No. Do we have to pay $1,500 for every attempt? No. Sir, is it necessary to give FAR first? Nothing like that. You can give as per your convenience. If you are stronger in any of the subject, give that subject first. So there is no thumb rule like you should give FAR first. Do you help in getting license? Yes, I myself a licensed CPA. Will Simandar faculty will train on how to use Becker software efficiently? 110%. You don't need to worry for that. I don't have any work experience prior to that. So once we place you, you will get that 1 year work experience and we'll apply for your license. You have 3 years for licensing Gurmeet. You don't need to worry. Considering exam is taken in Dubai, what will be the extra cost? Saptaki, the exam can be taken in India also. There is no extra cost now. Do evaluator transcripts be sent to accountancy board? Yes. Sir, as you say, BCom plus MBA eligible, we have to send both transcripts at a time. Yes. If we fail, then for how long you will support us? Till I am alive, I will support you. If I am dead, I don't know who will support after that. So till I am alive, I will support you guys. How to choose state? I will guide you on that. Do we need to pay extra for license in future? No. BCom NACB plus IPCC Group 1 plus MBA first year not eligible. You will need to clear your MBA. Can you please explain what is all about? You can still be eligible, BCom NACB plus ICC Group 1 plus MBA, right? You can still be eligible. Get in touch with our counselors. Can you please explain what is all about licensing? It's nothing but you'll need to have 1 year of experience for licensing, and we would kind of verify the work experience, and then we'll kind of help you out. Are the study materials valid for lifetime access? If you go for unlimited Becker, it will be lifetime valid. If not, 24 months. Credit for BCom honors Delhi University correspondence 90. Can I start preparation? Yes. Okay. Would Simandar provide assistance to candidate until passing the exam, irrespective of exam may take? Yes. Not eligible, right? You are eligible, Santosh. That's what I have said. Don't need to type 30 times. Else I will not take that question. Can CA plus BCom go straight away for licensing? Yes. Simandar recorded classes? Yes. They are enough. Simandar package cost, get in touch with the counselors. BCom NACA plus CA Inter eligible, yes. Can I do MCom plus MCom from IGNO for licensing? 110%. Your MCom plus IGNO will give you 60 credit. Can you help in education loan? Get in touch with the counselors. How could we contact you for the classes? Go through our website. We are there on LinkedIn. Simandar Education is our website. Go to our website. There are our numbers are clearly written. See on our LinkedIn page. We are on LinkedIn. We have a LinkedIn page here of Simandar Education. We have our YouTube videos, right? Our contact. So this is our contact number 7780273388, right? So this is what we have in case if you have any doubts. So what do you mean by credits? I've already covered, Anshul. Every year of graduation is converted into certain number of scores which are known as credits. Your first year, second year, third year gives you 30, 30, 30, 90 credits. Is there any branch in Chennai? This is a ridiculous question because due to COVID now everything will be in online. So there is absolutely no question of asking branch and all because we are all going on a digital way, right? So there is no question on branches or anything. You can see me here, I can see you here, I can interact with you, you can interact with me. This is how lives will be. This is how digital we will be, right? Have the habit of getting accustomed to the software, accustomed to the classes, because all the corporates tomorrow will become on the online platform. So don't please keep pushing me for physical classes. I will not have any physical classes even after COVID also, because everything will go into online mode. The future belongs to digital. And I don't want any of my students to get an habit of physical classes, right? Simandar classes fully in English? Yes. Software works on Android phone? Yes. For office goers, how many dedicated hours of study you recommend every day? 3 hours is enough. Are the credits for all universities same? Yes, sir. We get evaluation. We get 2 evaluation for exam and licensure if you have 120 credit. Yes, you'll need to spend again. What are the live interactive classes timings? Early morning. Yes, sir. 18-month duration. We need to clear. If not, what happens? Your scores will get lapsed. What subject do you teach, sir? I teach FAR, right? So that is what is my subject. Okay. Oh my God, there are so many questions. Sir, does working is allowed in other state in US allowed, or you have? Okay, guys, one very, very important thing. So if you're registered with California, it doesn't mean you need to go to California and write the CP exam. You can give your CP exam anywhere in US, right? So you can be registered with non-state board and you can write your exam anywhere. Classes is on weekdays. Yes, it is on weekdays. And in weekdays also, we do it in early morning only, right? And weekends also we are doing it, some of the classes and all. So request you to kindly respond to my query. So do I get study plan? Yes, we have a study plan which is being downloaded in our software. So will I have the recorded videos if I'm in office? Yes, you will have recorded videos. Simandar recorded videos are till indefinite time. Do you recommend Simandar videos or Becker video? First is the Becker videos. If you don't understand anything, go through Simandar videos. Morning timings 7 to 9. Can I send transcripts at my own, or should university get in touch with us? We'll help you in the transcripts. Do we have loan facility? We do have, but the interest rate is little higher, but still try to explore that option. Get in touch with our counselors. I've already given in the website, you already have the contact details of each and every person. If you see there, guys, if you see there, contact Simandar, you already have the contact numbers of each and every one. So you can just contact those counselors there, right? So if you see there, there is already the contact number 778027338893907588. So these are our contact numbers. I've already explained Becker Pro and Becker Advantage. Pro is unlimited. Advantage comes with 24 months access. So if you join, will we get live classes, live online? You will get both live and recorded. Will CP exam be held in June in India? Most probably we are thinking that it will be held. But in Mumbai, just forget the CP exam. It will not be held. You told if you don't clear within 18 months all the other cleared subject labs, yes, it will lapse. That is right. In case exam get discontinued in India, how can we give exams? Go to Dubai and give the exam, right? So that is how it is. Yes. Any questions which I have missed out, guys? Sir, what is the viability and opportunities for taxation advocate? Join enroll agent Kashish. Because I would say EA does a better job if you're looking for a career in US taxation than CPA. We do have EA classes also, so you can get enrolled with that. Do I get updated material after 2 years of course? Yes. Which is costly, either Becker Advantage or Premium? Premium is the costly one. If you have issue in study, would be able to connect teachers directly? Yes, we'll give you all the contact numbers. You can call me night, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock also I'll be available. Right? So you don't need to worry with any of those things, Ashi. What is the best option, job option after passing CPA? I think best profile is audit. Second best profile will be transactions, mergers, advisory, or advisory. Even the advisory services are also. I think the advisory profile is terrific after passing CPA. That is a good thing. Is CPA better than enroll agent? If you want your career in taxation, I think CPA is more versatile because it covers each and everything. EA is more focused towards taxation. So in that way, it is like misses out in that particular case. Okay. Would you suggest CPA for building career in taxation? I have 3 years of experience in Indian tax. I think you can cover that. So you can definitely do it. So that's not a problem, right? So prospect of US CPA in Canada. I think if you're passing the US CPA exam, you don't need to write the Canadian exam. You are exempted from the Canada exam. So I would say that it's a good option of taking up. Can we expect CPA exams in India in 2021? Hard to conclude. Don't want to give any wrong information because there is no official information on that. I want my career in iBanking, investment banking. How do you suggest CPA? Definitely, it is a good course. Even in investment banking, in the audit profile, we have seen a lot of them getting hired. So you don't need to worry on that. I struggle studying for CA because of early morning classes. Will CPA be achievable? 100% it will be achievable. Do we need work experience for licensure? Yes, 1 year of experience is required to get the license. When we have to register, if you want to give exam in September, straight away you need to enroll now. Will CA plus CPA fetch more salary? It will help in giving more resume touch. Salary wise, have to be honest, it will have a 1 lakh rupee impact. That's all, Tarun. But it will make your chances more in getting good companies. That I think I would say that is a better chance. If my evaluation completes by this month, then will I be able to enroll for June? Not possible. Push for September because June I am having high doubt that exams will happen. I work for a big 4 US taxation. Should I go for a CPA or a EA? Avrudeep, I think you can go for. I think CPA would be a better option. But if you're doing in taxation, go for EA first. So if you want a career in US corporate tax, is CPA good? 110% it is good. It covers more. Is there any difference between Simandhar recorded classes and Becker videos? Becker videos are in their accent. Simandhar classes in our accent of Indian accent. Because the reason is I wanted both the accents should come. Because if you don't understand anything, you'll have the Simandhar videos. So you can understand those things. That's the reason why we also conduct our classes apart from Becker videos also. That is what it is. Right? So timing for the classes and all, get in touch with the counselors. We have already the numbers. If you see that there are mobile numbers. Is everyone able to see the mobile numbers here? Is the screen visible to everyone? Yes. So this is the account numbers which you can get in touch. And these are the people who would help you out. Yeah, right? So there are a lot of centers there, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, this, that, and all. So the numbers are mostly, I think there are 7, 8 numbers where you will get in touch. Right? Okay, next. Yes, any further questions which I couldn't answer? I haven't drank water also, so. Okay. Yes. Any questions, guys? Keep posting it because any questions which I missed out. Will exam be conducted in Hyderabad? It is already being conducted. The Prometric Center is already there. People are scheduling their exams in Hyderabad. Will accounting job be considered as work experience? Yes, it will be considered. Sir, can I start my own CPA firm? 110%. We'll help you out. And we want entrepreneurs to set up their own CPA firm. It's not just about jobs, right? You can open your own CPA firm also. Sir, how can we get transcripts? So transcripts, you will need to contact your university and they will help you out in that. Do I get Becker classes with some other classes? You will not get the Becker online classes. That's what I'm telling you guys. Why are you behind the Becker live classes? Because it will anyways not match your timings. Because they are the US classes. So that's why you will be getting the recorded classes. And Simandhar classes is what you will be getting live. You'll get recorded classes of Becker and live classes of Simandhar. There is no logic for giving the Becker live classes when Simandhar Education is doing the classes. Clear? So do you personally have one-to-one session with student once enrolled? I am having a WhatsApp group with so many participants. So I am very much active on all my groups. We have a stock market group also where we keep sharing our updates on the financial statements and all. So that is what it is. So you don't need to worry, Ganpati, on that particular aspect. So we have WhatsApp groups where we have end-to-end student service. So in short, will we get recorded Becker plus whole plus additional your classes for better understanding? Yes, you will have recorded Becker classes. You'll have our Simandhar classes. right? And time to and also you'll have our live online classes also. So you have 33 point. After this also, if you are failing, then I'll have to stop Simandar education only, right? So if I miss the Simandar live classes, yes, you will get the recorded. I have already explained that. Is it any scope of CPA firm in India? If yes, then what? Already I have explained that there are a lot of job opportunities. A lot of the work is getting outsourced here in India. You will have terrific opportunities even if you set up your own CPA firm here. Is it fruitful or only audit? No. You can always push for the taxation work also. A lot of the tax work is getting outsourced. A lot of the accounting work is getting outsourced. So a lot of the work is getting outsourced here, so you don't need to worry. So if I enroll now, can I give my exam in September? Mostly you can get it, but you'll need to uh, you still need to see how the lockdown behaves. So do you think after this COVID impact and after Trump is not in favor of going outside, will US companies come? See, if US companies doesn't come to India, how will their cost be visible? We are the biggest consuming country we are the third largest consuming segment in the world. So US companies will have to come to India. Remember that. Already a lot of companies are here there. So are you providing 7-day free trial? Yes, you have free trial for Simandar. You have free trial of Becker. You can search in Google or you can get in touch with our counselors. They will give you the free trial of Simandar and Becker lectures. So you can go in there and understand how we are providing our classes. If you are providing it very bad, don't join. If you are providing it very good, please join. As lockdown, university open in July, so am I able to give the exam in December? If then transcript in July or after July? I think yes, you can still give it because I'm assuming that AICPA will extend the testing windows. Sir, am I working in CA law firm as a CA? Do I consider? Yes, I will verify that work experience history. You don't need to worry. Is there any specific months where when we have to give exam? Typically, CPA exam happen every month, Satabdi, but unfortunately, because in India it have come for the very first time, so it is like it is on June and September, and I have got unofficially an information from AICPA that December also the exams will be conducted. But I don't want to be what you say clear on that particular thing. I don't want to give you false hopes because still it is not official, but unofficially I have got this information from them. Clear? Is any age limit for getting job after CPA? There is no age limit. Sir, can we start preparation first and evaluation process later on a time like after FOMA? 110%. No one is pushing you for that. You can write your CPA exams next year also. You don't need to worry on that. I would suggest that prepare well. You should study well. That is very important. Right? So Ashi, you will have to get in touch with our counselors for that. How many exams should I give it in September? I think 1 or 2 exams are more than sufficient, Raghav. Don't give all the 4. Sir, placement support, already I have shown that we have our Kikifin website. We are tied up with almost every company. Follow us on LinkedIn, follow us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, right? So this is our channels where you will get latest placement. You'll get our alumni who are being placed after passing the CPA exam. So follow on this Facebook, YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our Instagram page, follow our LinkedIn, follow our Twitter page. Please keep following, guys. If you follow, you will know what are we doing. If you don't follow, you will anyways not know what is there. Will IFRS be covered? Yes, it is covered. Is there a limit for exam retake? No limit. Is there any difference between CPA and CMA? CPA is more into audit, CMA is more into management. Right? CPA is external audit, CMA is internal. It is appointed by the management. CPAs are appointed by the the auditors. So it's like an external audit. They are appointed by the shareholders. Due to COVID, if my evaluation gets delayed, how to proceed? See, AICPA is aware, they will extend the windows. Can you please elaborate more on setting up own practice in India? So Somuk, I think we'll take that offline. Is there any chance of exams being held in India next year as well? Pranita, there are high chances that exam will be there in next year also. CPA versus CMA, which is a better career opportunity, depends on your interest, Arun. If you want your interest is into financial planning and analysis, into planning and budgeting, then CMA is better. If your plan is to in audit, advisory, then CPA is better, or taxation. What is the cost of each paper? Each paper cost is $1,000 divided by 4, $250, and $1,500 is an additional what you say additional testing fees if you want to write the exam in India. So $2,500. So can we prepare both CP and CMA at both time? 110%. There is absolutely no reason why you can't pass both. Will the NTS be extended if the exam is not there in June? Yes, they are extending it to December, Ivan. Get in touch with our counselors. They will help you out. If you're enrolled with us, we'll extend that NDAs. You don't need to worry. CPA plus CMA prospects, good. There are a better chances of getting selected and the job might be easier. All right. So that's a good combination. CPA plus USCMA. That's a good combination. Right? So because CMA, a lot of these sections gets covered in CPA also. So there's not much a problem on that. Any further questions, guys? Thank you, sir. You really helped and cleared many doubts today. CPA plus CA plus CFA prospects in investment banking, terrific, Mohammed. Don't need to worry. EFR is also covered in CMA. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. I think still there are a lot of questions. Course material remains the same during the year or frequently amendments. Satya, I've already covered. Your Becker product gets auto updated. Any new changes, your product will get auto updated. You don't need to worry for that. You will have everything latest. So you don't need to worry. Can we do a pre-evaluation? Yes, we do help. Meenakshi, you don't need to worry. It was really helpful, sir. Informative. Thank you. EA plus CPA, terrific combination. CPA plus CMA, terrific combination. So these are very, very good combinations. So guys, again, follow us. You can get in touch with us, email us, and we'll answer your queries also. I think it's been almost like 1.5 hours. We are continuing. Simanda provides CMA training also. Yes, we do provide US CMA training. So you can get in touch with our website. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks a lot. And please please keep following us on all these social media channels and keep referring to your people. Keep telling to others also. Your referrals matter to us, guys. If you felt that this was a good session, if I've been honest, if I've been transparent in my counseling, please keep educating others also, and don't get misguided in all other institutes or misguiding you that you might pass the CPA by all September, or you might get your evaluation done. Please don't get misguided, guys. Also remember that CPA exam is a best qualification. CPA qualification is a terrific qualification. Don't quit. Whether the exam happen in India or Dubai or US, I take a guarantee that I'll place each and every one. That is a support I have from the corporates. You don't need to worry, guys. Till I'm there, there's nothing wrong which can happen to anyone. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot.